Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TDI S Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos Black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre turbo diesel engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 360 Nm of torque. And this being the black edition, you do get multiple elements of black styling, including the gloss black badges and front and rear bumper elements. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finish in matte grey with a diamond cut high sheen finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button to reveal ample room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The boot floor can also be lifted up for extra storage, and it can lower itself down, and the rear seats can fold down for maximum storage space. The interior is finished in twin leather with contrasting stitching for maximum luxury, and on the comfort element we have the centre armrest with dual cup holders and the rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are finished with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with perforated grips, with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display, as well as dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, so as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear view camera to make parking even those tight supermarket car park all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.